Hey guys, Tabby Cat here. So today we're going to be testing the, oh, not that one, this one. We're going to be testing the smoke detectors. So, here we go. Okay, so it took me a minute to get silenced. So now we're going to test the upstairs ones. So, cover your ears. That worked. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, they are interconnected. So one goes off the other off. Now I gotta test this one. Okay. So that was the end of the test. Now we're going to test the carbon monoxide alarm. So let me prop this up so I'm covering my ears. And here we go. Alright. So, hope you guys enjoyed the test. And I will see you on the next video. Tabby Cat's out. Have a good day, guys.